Hi, my name is Thomas Hara from the Peak Adventures Bike Shop. It's that time of the year again, folks, where the Winter Overhaul Special is back. We will overhaul your majestic steed for only $120. So what's an overhaul, you ask? Well, come inside and I'll show you. A complete overhaul includes us breaking down the bike and then restoring it to nearly new condition. Overhaul includes cleaning the chain, cassette, and chain rings, adjusting, cleaning, and lubricating derailleurs, adjusting, cleaning, and resurfacing brakes, truing wheels, cleaning rims, hubs, and spokes, overhauling all bearing systems, honest diagnosis of component wear, labor on all replacement components, and ride. So swing on by Peak Adventures Bike Shop to take advantage of this winter overhaul special. It's a really good deal!